Hey, thank you for joining Uncle Mike from Teach Talk Trade for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. As you can see, right here is a three black crows candlestick pattern. Not a perfect one, but close enough for what we're looking at. Not a good sign for prices further traveling to the south, to the downside. You can see that it broke the lows, penetrated the lows of the fibs on 121. So now we'll have to be readjusting the fibs here in the next few days. We had the most recent high of 1.6 down to 121, and we've pierced that. So watch out below. It appears that we'll be retesting lows again way down here where we have the Ganfan. Above us we have a T8 right here, and it is right on the resistance above our head of the Ganfan at 8,115. We have the 20 period EMA at 8270, and we have the 50 period EMA at 8544. Now let's take a look at some of our favorite little indicators. Let's look at support and resistance. Let's look on the shorter term first. For the shorter term, the Dow broke below the downside support level of 81.84 2 days ago. This is a bearish sign, obviously, and now we're going to look at it as resistance instead of support. Let's look at the longer term support and resistance. The most recently confirmed upside resistance level for the Dow was around 93.29. So expect prices to have some difficulty rising above that level. And the most recently confirmed downside support, again longer term, is 78.64. And you can see how close we are right now. So watch that for tomorrow, 78.64. Let's take a look at Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands are 5.8% wider than normal. So we can see some volatility coming in, and it's also because of, if you had Bollinger Bands around these numbers, you would see that they're coming into some sort of squeeze type position. Let's look at the volatility analysis. And based on the volatility analysis, the volume is 15.75% below average, and the Bollinger Bands are 23% narrower. And again, that just goes to support our previous comment. Because the Bollinger Bands are narrower, they're getting into a squeeze. And finally, let's take a look at our Chande chart checkup. Price is biased still downward. Prices are trending and stalling on the short and intermediate term. The projected upper bound is 86.03. The projected lower bound is 72.49. So keep those prices in mind. And I want to thank you again for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. And please visit the site www.teachtalktrade and kick the tires around, see what you can find there for some interesting tidbits if you're interested in trading equities, swing trading, or day trading the S&P E-mini. Thanks. Have a wonderful evening.